welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to ask you something about for my friend here. We're gonna, people election days 2018 this year. But I want to ask you a few questions or some question about what is his vision and then his vision for future. Alright, Mr. Hendra, right?
Okay.
So saya akan memberikan beberapa pertanyaan. Jadi bersama Ibu saya ini Aceh Sulawesi. Jadi Pak Hendra, bagaimana Anda tentang zikir pada Aceh?
Oh, alhamdulillah. Zikir Banda Aceh sudah banyak berkembang. Banyak majlis jamaah memang bertujuan untuk menyebarkan siar agama melalui zikir. Ini kedatangan kita di Sabang ini juga adalah salah satu dari menyebarkan mendukung dan menyebarkan syariat Islam di Pulau Sabang. Alhamdulillah sambutan dari masyarakat Sabang antusias, alhamdulillah jamaah penuh. InsyaAllah ke depan kita akan melakukan program-program ke depan lainnya seperti ini.
Alright, the meaning is zikir very important for people to know this. As human being, if they are live without zikr, memory to Allah, there is nothing like animals. Because after memorizing and then after 5 times a week, 24 hours a week, then per day, this is very important for us. And then Sabang people island is very, very important for us. When they are greeting us, then when when we are last night, we are greeting and then zikr together in the mosque, Subul Salam mosque, that is very important. A lot of people, not only men but also women, they are with love for zikr. Alright, thanks for watching my video. This is my friend, and that his name is Hendra. It's gonna be election day 2018. Don't try to pray for him because I think it's very important. Alright, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Allah.